Hi guys. Yes, today we are making clove water. I had to try it. It has so many benefits. You really have to do your research because you really should learn more about it before you decide to give it a try. But yes, clove water. So there are two ingredients. That's fresh cloves and water. I chose to use Deer Park because I wanted to use some form of filtered water, so that's what I had on hand. So yeah, don't really need a whole lot. I probably could have used less than what you see here because when you let it sit overnight, it completely infuses into the water and it's beautiful. I really enjoyed it. I used it the day after I made this video because I let it just cool overnight, and that's what you'll see here. You see me swirling it around because I didn't want the glass to break. The glass was kind of cool, and that was water that I had just cut off from boiling. So I just was trying to ease it into the hot water and take my time. But you can see it's already starting to infuse and the water is turning brown. So beautiful. That right there that's in there, stay tuned, you guys. That's a hair growth oil. And if you would like to see how I made that, which I also use fresh cloves in and many other wonderful ingredients, great for hair growth, put it in the comments below. I got you. So this is the very next day. I let it sit in the pot of hot water and I just left it there, let it cool down overnight. And as you can see, it has this beautiful brown color. The smell was like licorice, I want to say. It has an earthy, almost licorice smell, but I don't mind it. If you're sensitive to smells, you may want to do a sniff test before you decide to make this because it will make your hair smell like that. But once it has completely absorbed, you don't smell it anymore. So that's a good thing. And I'm just putting it here in my spray bottle. And yeah, I've been using it. So I'll update you all in about a month or so and let you know what I really thought of it. Because I've been using it every day. I've been spraying it on my scalp and my hair. So we're good to go, you guys. 2 ingredients. Done. Clove water. Thank you all so much for joining me. And let me know if you made some, how you like it. Bye.